My name is Phoebe Chou, and I'm from Union City, California. I just recently graduated from Berklee College of Music in Boston. I had a performance degree in total percussion, in general percussion, I would say. I marched BDB on synth and BDA on vibes. And then I also did Vanguard winter percussion for 2 seasons on Marimba. How I would choose a solo, a malice solo, I think one thing that's important to me is that I have to like it. I usually just go online, Tap Space, Lone Star, honestly any percussion websites that sell music. Just buy it and try to play it. The levels of difficulty that they list on the links for the solos is a pretty good guide. I think the most important thing is that the solo has to be performed well. It's not so much that it's difficult or it has an insane amount of notes or you need to play extremely fast or anything like that. It has to be a solo that you can perform. And if I can play a really, really simple solo that can bring you to tears, then that's more effective than playing a level 5 insanely hard marimba solo really badly. People come to watch you perform the music. It's always about the music first.